Hello everyone. In this video, we discuss about operation on sets. At first, we have here two different terms. First in here operation and second sets. We are familiar with the term sets. We already have discussed in previous video about sets. What is sets? Type of sets, representation of sets. And now we are going to discuss operation on sets. At first, we try to understand the term operation. Operation is a process. Operation simply is a process by which we get new element. Like 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Here plus is a ऑपरेशन. ये आपका क्या है? एक ऑपरेशन है जिसके द्वारा हम लोग एक नया एलिमेंट मिलता है. यहाँ पर हम सेट्स पर ऑपरेशन स्टडी करेंगे कि सेट पर हम किस किस टाइप्स का ऑपरेशन अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट. We have here some types. Number 1, union of two sets. Union of two sets. Second, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. Number 3, we can use union and intersection on general terms of sets. If we have more than two sets like A, B, C, D and we want to apply union or intersection, then generally more than two sets. For union and intersection for more than two sets. Union of n sets. If we have more than two sets like 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets, and similarly intersection of n sets. Intersection of n sets. And number 5, difference of two sets. We want to find the difference. Difference of two sets. Number 6, complement of a set. Complement of a set. Number 7, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference of two sets. Now we will discuss every type one by one. Union of two sets and intersection of two sets, and the both process on n sets. Union and intersection. We will discuss union and intersection on n sets, and the next one, difference of two sets, complement, and the symmetric difference of two sets. We will discuss all these terms one by one. Now let's start first type of operations, union of two sets. We define union of two sets if we have two sets A and B. If A and B are two sets. If we have two sets A and B, then union of A and B is denoted by A union B. Okay, union is denoted by A union B. Generally by U denote A union B. It is read as A union B. And now we will going to define it. Now we are going to define A union B. What is A union B? And it is defined as, and it is defined as the collection of all elements of A and B. Simply, A union B is defined as the collection of all elements of A and B. It is either present in A or it is present in B or in both. Simply, the collection of all elements. A में भी जो है या फिर B में है या फिर दोनों में, तो सारे को आप एक सेट में लिख दें. That is A union B. We consider an example. Okay, we take an example. A equal to, we take a set 1, 3, 5, and we consider another set 2, 4, 5, 7. And now we want to find A union B. Simply denoted by A union B. It is written A union B. And the collection of all elements, collection of all elements of A and B. Collection of all elements. It means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Whether it is present in A, present in B, or in both. सारे एलिमेंट्स को आप एक सेट में लिख दें. That is known as the A union B. Okay. Now we are going to discuss on the second type of operation, intersection of two sets. Okay. We are going to discuss here second type, intersection of two sets. Intersection of two sets. If A and B are two sets, then intersection of A and B is denoted by A intersection B. Union U and intersection this way. ये हुआ A union B and it is written A intersection B, and it is defined as the collection of common elements of A and B. Intersection is defined as the collection of common elements in A and B. Those elements which are present in A and B both. जो कि सेट A और सेट B दोनों में प्रेजेंट हो. अब दोनों में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स है उसी को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरसेक्शन बोलते हैं. And it is defined as the collection of common elements of A and B. It means those elements which are present in A and B both. वो सारा वस्तु जो A में भी हो और B में हो, that is called intersection of two sets. If we have the same example, A equal to 1, 3, 5 and B equal to 2, 4, 5, 6, and we want to find A intersection B, then it is denoted by A intersection B and collection of the common elements, those elements which are present in A and B both. Here 1 not in present, 3 not in present, the only 5 is the element which is present in both the sets A and B both. So A intersection B can be defined as A intersection B equal to 5. 5 is the only elements which are present in A and B. If there is no any element common, like x equal to A, B, C, and we have y equal to 1, 2, 3, and if we want to find x intersection y, so clearly here there are no any elements which are common in x and y. A, B, C, and here 1, 2, 3. There is no any common element. So x intersection y equal to 5. Simply we write x intersection y equal to